Hi developer, welcome back to the another video of HTML series. So in the previous video we have learned about the difference between HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Also understand about the file and the boilerplate. So let us revise the previous class first. So first of all let us create the one file. So I have already told you how to create the file. First of all you have to right click on the new file, and the first option, that is you have to write the file name. So file name you should write the any name you can write, but the genuine that industrial flow name is you have to write the index. This index is the file name, and .html is the extension of the HTML file. Okay, got it? So after creating the file, I have told you the shortcut key for generating the boilerplate. So the shortcut key for generating the boilerplate is you have to press the shift plus exclamatory marks in your keyboard. So you will get the image abbreviation if you enter that one, and you will get the boilerplate. So the title, let us modify the title. Right here, Day2. Okay, now let's start the today topic. So let us understand about the different types of tags that are used to build a website. So first of all, understand what is paragraph tag and where we have to use in the website. Especially paragraph tag we are using in for writing the paragraphs in the website. Then okay, so how you can write the paragraph tag? So in the inside the body you have to write the paragraph tag, which is enclosed with the what is called greater than and equal to this one, this less than and greater than symbol inside. So you have to write the text here. So this lorem into 3, this lorem into 3, basically it will generate the random text. So that's why I am getting the lorem into 3. So after generating the random text, what you have to do, suppose if you want to see this one, so what you have to do, you have to go in the live server. So previously I have told you to download the live server, right? So this one extension. So now whatever you have written in that code, you are now going to see in your browser. So this is the paragraph tag. So let us understand the another tag. Another tag is heading tag. Especially this heading tag is used for giving the headline for your titles. Just like suppose if I want to give the headline for this paragraph, suppose I will write this is the H2 of, suppose I will say here Day2. So this will be the headline of my paragraph. See here. So for heading tag you can write the different 6 levels, H1 to H6. H1 is the high, and you can write here up to H6 you can write the heading. Now you can easily see the difference between this H2 and H6 tag, right? So this is, so especially where we have to use this one heading tag, especially we are using this heading tag. Suppose if you want to give the heading for your any paragraph or just like a title, if you want to give, that time we are using this heading tag. So now let us understand the another tag. So the another tag is anchor tag. So basically this anchor tag is nothing but it will help to link your website with one page to another page. So how we can generate this anchor tag? So the tag for generating the anchor tag is A. So this is your anchor tag. So this href is nothing but this is the attribute where you have to copy paste the link where you want to link. Suppose I want to link my Google page. With my website. So what I have to do, I have to give the URL of the Google. Suppose this is the www.google.com. So this is the URL, right, of Google. So what I will do now, I will open. See, this is my browser, right? So what this anchor tag basically do, from my from my website I can easily redirect my page to the Google page. So see, this is the connection between my page with the Google. So this is the benefit of using the anchor tag. So now we have understood what is paragraph tag, different types of heading tag, and the anchor tag. Now let's begin with the another point. That one is BR tag. Basically BR means this is the break tag. We are saying this one is BR tag. Actually especially we are using this BR tag when you just want the next line. Suppose, for example, I will just give you the one simple example. Suppose in the scenario I have written the two sentences. This is my code and this is day 2. Now see here, when I open here, so I have written here this is my code and this is day 2. See here, these two lines are coming in this same line, same appearance. So what I want, this day 2 will be have to come in the next line. So how can I make that possible? So what I have to do, I have to use the break tag, BR tag, in between this paragraph. So if I use this BR in between this two sentence, what will happen here? Now see here, that one, this is day 2, this has coming into the next line. So this beauty has given through this BR tag. So now coming through the next tag is bold, italic and underline. Suppose in your paragraph, suppose if you want to make any letter bold, means any words bold, that time you have to use this bold tag. Suppose I want to make this code to the bold. So what I have used to use? Bold. Bold means it should be in the bold form. Just a minute. See here. See, this code now it is going to be code in the bold tag. The another tag is underline tag. This underline tag is basically it will generate the underline. Basically it will generate the underline in your code. So another one is italic tag. Italic basically it is denoted by I. So see, this is your code is in the slanted side. So this is called your BR tag. Sorry, italic tag. So till now, what are the tag we have learned? Paragraph tag, heading tag, anchor tag, and BR tag. Paragraph tag where you have to use when you are in the website, when you want the paragraph, that time we are using the paragraph tag. Suppose if you want any heading or title for our website, that time we are using the anchor tag, heading tag. And anchor tag especially when you want to link between the two pages, that time we are using the anchor tag. And BR tag especially when you want to make a separation between the two lines, that time we are using the BR tag. And bold, italic, underline when you want to make the stylish font or anything, that time we are using this one. The another next one is HR tag. So HR basically it represents to the horizontal line. For example, see now in your browser, you just see no anything right here. Suppose you want to make one just like a difference between this your paragraph tag and the anchor tag, that time we have to use this one, HR tag. So basically what this will do, so it will generate one horizontal line in the website. So this beauty has defined by your horizontal line. So just like it has drawn one horizontal line in your website. So this is done by your horizontal line. Now let us understand the another tag. That one is image tag. So guys, you have seen in the website that they have used the image in their websites. So how we can make this possible? Through this image tag. So how we can implement this image tag in the website? So what you have to write? You have to write the img. So if you write the img, it is giving the two attribute. The first attribute is you have to write the src. In the src you have to write the link, means URL of the picture. And this alt means suppose for example sometimes due to the network issue or the developer, he doesn't know what he has kept inside the image tag, right? So for his reminder or for his understanding, that time you have to use this. Suppose when I am writing here this is my image. This is my image. So what happens, suppose for example there is no network in my, if there is no internet, or might be due to the just like corrupted link or due to the invalid link, that time what happened, you doesn't know, right, what this image is content. So this is for your reference, you are writing this for your reference you are writing, so you know, right, this is my image means this image contain your image. So this alt means basically that is nothing but this is for the optional that you have kept here image. So in the src, if you want to generate the image, I mean if you want to implement the image, how you have to do, in the Google you have to first of all search for the image. Suppose I am searching any image, right? So image of doll. Suppose for example I want to keep this image in my website. So how can I possible? So you have to copy the image address, then paste in the this one link. So see here, so now see the magic in your website, this one image has come, right? So suppose if you want to make this weight and height of this image fixed, so what you have to do, you have to give some attributes, that one is height and width. Suppose if you give the height of 200 pixel, then the height of the image will be reduced, see, right? So this one is height. If you want to reduce through the width wise, you have to give the width edge, width edge 200 pixel means, so it will be in the square format, right? Height you have given 200 and width also you have given. Height means it will cover your y axis, means your vertical axis, and width means this is covered from the x axis, horizontal. So see, this is in your square form, right? So this is the image. So you also understood that how you have used the image in your website. So this is through the URL you have. You can also use the image through by download the image. Suppose what I have to do, if suppose I want to download this image, right? So let us download this image. Suppose if I will download this image, so I will show you how to use this one image. Suppose you have downloaded that image, right? So what you have to do, first of all you have to bring that image from your folder where you have suppose I have kept my image in this download, this one is the image. So what you have to do, you have to drag this one in your main file. So what you have to do, just rename the file name for your reference. Suppose if I rename as my image, enter. So what you have to do, suppose if you want to use this image in your file, what you have to do, just replace this one and you have to give the proper path name. Suppose this / my image. So I have given the proper path name of my image. So see here, this image is still it is showing in your website. Suppose for example if anybody has removed this link from your website also, that time if you have downloaded this image, this one it will not never remove from your website. This is the benefit of using this one. So we have understood of image tag, horizontal tag, and all the other. Now the another one is video tag or audio tag. So suppose if you want to add implemented the video tag, suppose if you want to implement the video in your website, so how we can possible? So that can be possible through using the video tag. Okay, now let us start the another one, video tag. So suppose if you want to use the video in your website, so how we can do that one? So what you have to do, first of all you have to write the video tag. So you have to write the video tag, writing the video. So what happened? So in the src you have to write the URL of your video. Either you can download the video, or you can giving the proper path directly, it can also possible. Suppose if you want to use the website, or through the website if you want to use the video, what you have to do, you have to go in the any one website link, and from there you have to just, suppose if I want to use one video, just give me a minute, I will suppose if you want to use this one video, what you have to do, you have to copy the video link. Okay, after copying the video link, what you have to do, you have to paste the link in your src. So now go in your website. So you have see your video have already attached, it is in the big size. So what you have to do, first of all you have to give the proper size and size of this one width. Suppose if I want to give the width as 200 pixel, so it will reduce the video size. See, so it is small, right? So it is still the video is not playing. So for making the playing, you have to give the again two attributes. The two important attributes for using with the video tag are, one is your controllers. So this basically what controllers will do, it will give you the controls in your video. Okay, so see here, now you can pause the video and you can play the video. So this will throw your controllers. The another one is, another important tag is you can make the autoplay. So if you don't use this autoplay, what happen? See here, if you don't use the autoplay, so after the one time the video will be play, then it will be auto stop. But you want continuity, just like continue, it is playing, right? So for making it one, what you have to use the another attribute, that one is called autoplay. So if you give the autoplay, now it will automatically play. See, one time again, if you just like re-render your website, again it will play. So this will give and throw your this one. Suppose if you don't use this controller, see what will happen. See, it will autoplay. Even you don't use the controller, it will autoplay, right? So this is through the autoplay. Another one is, suppose if you don't want your videos, suppose in some video like there is a music in the background. Suppose you don't want music if someone visit your website, right? That time you don't want somebody just like a noisy background. For that, it will be auto muted for the first time. So that will be achieved through using the muted this one. See, your video is already muted through the using that one. Same way you can use through the audio, this one audio tag. Same thing, you have to copy the link and like that you can do. Now let's go with the another tag. The last tag is iframe tag. So basically iframe tag, what it will do, suppose if you want to see the other website in your browser, that time you can use the iframe tag. That is the beauty. I will just show you the one magic. Suppose you have to, for using this iframe tag, you have to write the iframe, and for your src, suppose what I have to do, suppose I want to see this one, what I have just copied, right? This one. Suppose if you want to see this in your website, so what you have to do, you just have to copy paste this link, Ctrl C Ctrl V, you just paste here. Now see the magic. Sorry, I think might be some issue in this one. Just wait. Suppose let's copy this one again. Let's go here. Oh, sorry, it hasn't given the HTTP, right? So that's the reason. So now see the magic. See, now your pixel is showing in your website. It means that that pixel website is embedded in your web browser. So this is achieved through using the iframe tag. So in the today video, what we have understood, we have understand the different tags like a paragraph, heading, anchor, BR, bold, HR, image, video, and iframe. So now I will give some important notes on this, how you have to understand which are the closing tag and paragraph tag. So basically closing tag means what have they have this slanted. This means this is your closing tag, and opening tag means this is your opening tag. So basically some of the, just like your HR, you have just noticed there's like a HR, BR, another one is your PR tag. This one BR, they don't have the self closing tag. So for today this much. So in the next video we will just implemented some feature like how to create the website, and we will just implement the small project. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you like